Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a drawing tablet to Blender. To begin, make sure your drawing tablet's drivers are fully installed and updated for optimal performance. Next, physically connect your tablet to your computer using its dedicated USB cable. Once connected, launch Blender and proceed to the Edit menu, then click on Preferences to access the settings. This initial setup ensures your system recognizes the tablet before we configure Blender itself. Now, inside Blender's Preferences window, locate and click on the Input tab found on the left-hand side. If your drawing tablet does not feature a dedicated middle mouse button, it is highly recommended to enable the Emulate 3-button mouse option. This allows you to navigate Blender's three-dimensional viewport effectively. Additionally, take some time to adjust the tablet settings to customize pressure sensitivity and mapping, ensuring a comfortable and precise workflow. To truly optimize your tablet's performance, calibrate its pressure sensitivity. This allows for a wide range of stroke variations, from light touches to firm presses, giving you greater control. Consider mapping your most frequently used Blender shortcuts to your tablet's programmable buttons for a more efficient workflow. Finally, test your tablet's responsiveness and accuracy in Blender's Sculpt mode or with the Grease Pencil tool to ensure everything is working as expected. Experimentation is key to finding your ideal setup. Should your tablet not be recognized by Blender, a simple restart of both the application and your computer can often resolve the issue. It is also wise to check for any conflicting software or background applications that might be interfering with your tablet's operation. Always make sure your tablet drivers are updated to their latest version, as this is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and compatibility. Lastly, confirm that your tablet's USB connection is secure and stable to prevent any unexpected disconnections during your creative process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.